Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download ThinkorSwim. And if you want to download this, please go to Google and search for ThinkorSwim download. Then we click right here on this link and then we scroll a little bit down where we can select right here at Windows users install ThinkorSwim. So now we click right here on install ThinkorSwim. And then right now he's downloading right there. So we will wait a few minutes when the download is done. Then right now we click here on the ThinkorSwim installer and then he is running the application right here. Then we click right here on English. Then we do next. Then we click right here on the ThinkorSwim guest pass, next. Then we do right here, I acknowledge continue with installation. And then we do right here install only for the current user. Then we do next. Next, next, and next, yes. And then right now he's installing ThinkorSwim on our PC. There we are, and then we do finish. And right now we need to log in with our GuestPass login. If you don't have a GuestPass login, I showed in a video, the previous video, how to do that. So right now we fill in right here my login ID, and then right here we fill in our passwords. And then he is logging in. And there we are. So this is exactly how you can download ThinkorSwim right here on your PC. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.